Welcome back and thank you for watching. This is another stock analysis video with NLC Capital. In this video we're going to be looking at ticker symbol MOH. This is going to be a quick stock analysis video. We're going to be discussing the near-term price action and giving you a few price objectives and price targets and where we think price can be heading in the near-term future. So looking at this chart, we see this trading action over here, okay? Nothing, crazy, no patterns worth mentioning. Just drew those lines quickly to give you a picture of some of the support and resistance lines. But we noticed this big drop, okay? From $64 all the way down to $55, and then it moved all the way lower to $44.62 at its low. Then price went on to consolidate and trade relatively higher, slowly but surely it did trade higher. And you can see the strong support line, okay? You have the beginning of it, a test towards the middle, and a test right before the breakout. Now, after reporting earnings, we don't know anything about what they reported. They did beat, as you can see, by a pretty good margin. They beat by, I think that was 13 or 14 cents. So that was a nice beat. This is a healthcare company. It looks, I wouldn't doubt if it was, some drug or whatever that sent this stock higher. But we think this move is just a short-term, maybe correction if you want to call it that. We'll give you a few scenarios of what can happen. Okay, so we have this big gap. It was not filled yet. Okay, we only got up to the $60 level, which is about halfway through the gap, an important psychological level. And if you come to this recent high over here, you can see price is starting to head towards there, okay? It popped through it, and now it's starting to roll over. What you can see happen is price broke out. We're going to trade down, retest that support, and then potentially close this gap, okay? Now, that is a very valid price action goal, if you to call it that, future price action. If you do get a breakout and price continues to trade like this. Again, this is talking technically. We don't know anything about the company. So that is a possible scenario. Now, if I were to remove this, the trend line, I duplicated it, my bad. Okay, removing all this. Another scenario of what can happen is now this price, again, there's technically it's support right now. We think of it as resistance. We could have just popped through this very, for a short period of time, and now we're gonna roll over. This can be a fake out move. Price can roll over and trade down to this $52, $53 level. That's also a very valid price. The future price movement. You have an RSI that's overbought, and you have a MACD that is starting to round out and lose momentum. Both scenarios are in play. If I were to lean towards one side, it would be that first scenario we showed, where you do get that pop, a test of that support, and then a move higher to try and close that gap. This has been another stock analysis video with NLC Capital. Make sure to follow us on all of our social medias, including Twitter and StockTwits, where we post free trades daily. And visit our website, www.nlccapital.com, where we do post those free trades. And you can subscribe to our service, where we are up 75% this year.